Hey, what's up, guys? Um, Gal, Gal here, and I just felt like making a video and drawing right now. I am not the best drawer. I'm actually trying to learn how to draw, and I would mainly love to learn how to draw manga style drawings. Why, you ask? Because I've always had this idea that I wanted to make a manga or a graphic novel type thing. Um, yeah, I mean, I just think I always had this idea in my head of a story that I would always wanted to try out. What kind of story? Well, I can't really talk about that because I don't want nobody stealing my story, which I probably can't even put into fruition, but or attempt to do. And I wonder what age this guy is that I'm making. I don't know. I was playing this old game that I used to play a lot when I was younger. Is called Ragnarok. Oh man, that game was so cool. It's like the ultimate MMORPG ever made. Even though like it's really old and it's actually like 10 plus years old now. Cause I used to play back in '03. So it's kind of hard drawing with a tablet. And yeah, I used to play in '03. It's kind of weird here, isn't it? And where should I put the nose? Uh, shoot. Hmm. How do you zoom in with this thing? Oh, okay. But yeah. I used to play back in '03, and that was the best time to be an MMO gamer because, like, I don't know about you guys, but every time I log on to like an MMO, I try it out. I try out an MMO, and I hear some stupid douchebag just on the public chat, just talking about stupid stuff all the time. It just trivial, dumb stuff. It seems like kids are more mature than adults nowadays. If you ask me, like adults just complain and moan about everything. But yeah, I'm complaining, but right now it doesn't count. Okay, I'm complaining about the complainers. That's what I'm complaining about, and it's just really sad, you know. And I try to like talk to people like in MMOs to try and party, and they just like ignore me. Whereas in Ragnarok, if I talk to people, they talk back. Like no matter what people were doing, no matter what they were, you know, no matter if they were hunting cards or just grinding levels, like if you talk to people, like half of the time they would talk to you. But in like games now, they have everybody's mean as shit. Excuse my language, but that's just how I feel about it. Like everybody's freaking mean, dude, or nasty. It's like, hey, I'm just trying to do some quests. You want to party? That's what I say, dude. And like nobody wants to party, so I'm just like sitting here like, so I'm sitting here and deciding to draw. Oh man, I don't know if this is good. Maybe, nah, maybe it should be higher. Maybe the nose should be somewhere else. Hey, that looks kind of generic. Oh man, I'm just sketching right now because if I tried to paint this, it would take me hours. He does not look cool at all. He looks like a townsman. Oh, the eyes are too close. Oh man, I'm totally screwing this up today. No! What's up with that? Anyways, yeah, that's not bad. Hmm. He looks angry. Maybe it's these lines, huh? I don't know, man. I always have trouble with noses when I draw. Should really start looking into more, reference points. Hey, that's not bad. Give him a curious look. Yeah. Oh, come on. My strokes are really aggressive. I'm really a high pressure stroker when I'm drawing. I don't really know the meaning of gentleness. It's gotta be the weightlifting. I lift weights like every day. I'm not buff, but I'm a pretty lean, mean guy. Hey, that's not bad, you guys. That's not bad at all. Huh. Maybe I should clean it up a little bit. Well, it is a sketch, so whatever. Maybe I should add layers. Maybe lift this higher. He looks like he's not fit, and I want him to look kind of heroic. Well, you know, not heroic, but athletic is the word. Give him a strong jaw. He looks young. Yeah, that's fine. He's a younger guy. I sound young, but I'm kind of old. Mid-20s. Oh, come on. That's not good. That's funny. I never was good at eyes. Wait, make them look pretty. He's a gentle warrior. That's what he is. It's funny because I'm actually listening to the Ragnarok OST. I don't know if I've told you guys that I was already, but that's what I'm listening to. Short hair, crew. Yeah. That's not bad. Oh man, I'm so bad at this, huh? Well, hopefully you guys watch me progress and get better. Oh, my hands are killing me. If you guys didn't know, I use a bamboo Wacom pen tablet. Oh man, everything looks the same. We need to vary this stuff. How about we... Oh, I got a piece of the eyebrow there. Freaking A. I need to look at some hairstyles. Hold on. I bought this book from Mark Curley. Oh man. I bought this book from Mark Curley, which is really good. Oh, that's why his forehead. You need to put it up here so it looks good. I don't even know where his cowlicks are, but yeah, this feels better. Kind of vary it here, and then kind of Hey, that's not bad. It's pretty darn good if you ask me. Then we can go ahead and mess with the ears. Yeah. Maybe give him a little bang right there. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Oh, crap. Um. Yep. Ooh. Ooh, this will be unique. Boom. Little weird hair there. No, 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 no. We can do that for up here at the cowlick. Yeah. Haha. That's great. Alright. Let's get a little general sketch going thing. Maybe dip it here. Pew. Oh man, it looks so weird. Pew. That's funny. Wonder what we're gonna name this guy. Well, I'll name him, but I don't think I should tell you guys. Cause I can't let you guys take my ideas, you know. Hey, I'm just protecting my property. Ow, 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 my hands are killing me right now. Ugh. I don't know what to color him. Da, 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 da. Well, hopefully I can get better at drawing here because I know this looks kind of weird. Yeah. Hey, that's not that bad. Phew. It's funny because everything here is just so shaggy, and then you get over here, it's just clean. uh, Maybe we should just. Yeah, there you go. Looks like some guy from Super Dodgeball. You guys remember that freaking game, Nintendo? I'm not talking about the new Dodgeball. I'm talking about the old Nintendo Dodgeball. Now that was a game. Telling you, man, when you got to the last level, you were getting your butt kicked. Unless you knew the tricks. Like how to take possession of the ball, how to keep getting the ball back, um, after you knock somebody out and stuff like that. But if you let the enemy get the ball, oh, you're in trouble, man. And you had to watch out for certain players because certain players had some overpowered moves, man. Wait, what's it? I don't know if I like this perspective where I can see back past the ear. Whatever, it's fine. Nah, it's not. I don't like that. There we go. There we go. I think the ear is kind of like an S shape. It's like, something like that. Oh, I don't know. Come on. Okay. Looks terrible, but we're gonna roll with it. Now we get to the good part. We can do the, is he athletic, right? So, we can add some, oh, no, that's bad. don't know, man. There we go. Little details like that can make a big difference. What do you guys think? Swordsman? He looks kind of like a savage, doesn't he? With the rough hair, or the shaggy hair. Oh, my freaking hand is killing me. Oh, let me close the recording for a sec, just so I can check it out. And hey, if I don't see you guys, we'll do this again tomorrow. We'll continue this. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys soon.